In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone is on another call on WhatsApp. This is a quick, reliable way to understand what's happening on the other end so you can decide whether to wait, try again later, or simply know they're busy. Everything we'll do happens inside WhatsApp, and you won't need any extra tools or settings. To check if someone is already on a call, the only thing you need to do is place a WhatsApp call to them. Open WhatsApp, go to the chat with the person you want to reach, and tap the call button. That's it. The calling screen will give you all the clues. As soon as you tap call, pay attention to what the app says and whether you hear a ringing tone. The wording and the sounds are the key signals that tell you what's going on with their line. If you see on another call or busy appear immediately after you place the call, that means they are actively engaged in another WhatsApp call right now. This prompt shows up right away without any ringing. When WhatsApp detects that their line is already occupied within the app, it doesn't reveal who they're speaking to, and it doesn't mean they're ignoring you. It simply confirms their line is in use. In this situation, your call won't connect until they hang up their current call. If the screen says calling but you don't hear any ringing, that usually indicates that their internet is connected but the call can't go through at the moment. Two common reasons are that they're busy on a call or their phone is off. The key detail is the absence of the ringing tone. Think of this as a limbo state. Your call hasn't started ringing on their end yet. Give it a moment to see if it changes, but if it stays on calling without ringing, their line isn't available to receive your call right now. If you hear a ringing tone, that means the person is not on another call. Their line is free and the call is reaching their device. If they don't pick up, it's simply because they're not answering at the moment. The ringing tone is your confirmation that your call is getting through and the line isn't busy, and that's all you need. Open the chat, tap call, and read the signals. On another call or busy, calling without ringing or ringing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly understand what's happening when you place a WhatsApp call.